Hi there, wig lover. This is Heather from CysterWigs.com, and this is a review of the Applause wig from the Raquel Welch Black Label collection. This is a human hair wig in the color RH1488H, also known as Golden Wheat. If you'd like more information about the color, make sure you keep an eye out on CysterWigs 2 for the color spotlight video for the Golden Wheat. This is mainly going to be about Applause itself. When you first pull Applause out of the box, just like this, she's gonna be kind of stiff. That's to be expected because they usually have to put some kind of product in the hair to get this sort of precision cut. It is very layered. It's very feathered, particularly in the front. She does have this sort of fringe that you can wear down if you like. Or you can style it off the face because it's got this lace front. It's a really nicely done lace front. This lace blends with my skin really well. You can sort of see my bio hair, but that's just how translucent this cap is. There's that lace front. It goes all the way back to here, and then that's where that monofilament starts. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off so I can show it to you on the inside, and then we'll talk about the rest of the wig. It has a beautiful monofilament top in this really light color. Those knots just sort of disappear. You're going to see them a little bit more pronouncedly on the darker knotted colors. Anyhow, this lace front is very transparent, pre-cut, contoured, very nice cut on this one. This sample's well done. There is a seam in between the lace and the monofilament. There is no permatease in this style. She is 100% hand tied, no wefts whatsoever. So the whole back is that stretch mesh that has the hair ventilated into it or sewn into it. And then we've also got an extended nape covered in felt with Velcro adjusters. The adjusters, like on most premium wigs, are covered in that mesh material to protect them so they don't get makeup and oil on them. That will loosen them up over time. And what you want is the wig to fit as securely as possible without actually like giving you a headache. So we also have felt covered ear tabs. And while this is still off my head, let me show you all that layering up close. Beautiful layering. And all this one needs is to be washed and maybe blown out, and it will look like dynamite. It's a bit like a late 90s Princess Diana shag kind of cut. It's really cute on. You just have to style it. But my bread and butter is showing people what these look like out of the box, so you're gonna have to sort of use your imagination about what this is gonna look like styled. But this is one where if you wash it and you style it, it will look really beautiful. And because she's got this very well done lace front, it gives you a lot of styling options, including just like clipping part of it back or something like that. You know, so very darling cut, very work appropriate sort of hair here. So you should always wash your human hair wigs when you get them and decide you want to keep them before you wear them out, because they will behave differently after you wash them. And you know, so see how stiff this is? It won't move like that once it's washed. But honestly, one of the things you really have to know is if you order a color this light, this hair started as an R1 naturally, and then they lightened it and toned it to get it to this color. So make sure you've got your conditioning game on point whenever you buy one of these color processed human hair wigs in a blonde. So something like this, I would definitely recommend making sure you use a really good moisturizer. One thing I like to use that we don't sell, but it's great, is Living Proof moisturizing oil. That stuff's really great, and it isn't sticky or it doesn't damage the hair. It's sulfate free. It's great. But anyhow, that's Applause. I'm Heather from CysterWigs, CysterWigs.com. Thank you so much for watching our videos. Hopefully you will continue to check them out, and then I'll keep making them, and it'll work out real well that way. Yeah, we'll just hang out and play with hair. It's good stuff. Until next time, have a great night, everybody. Bye-bye.